tense situation took place in Kalaghatagi town near Hubli on November 20th when locals tried to prepare to install Basavanna statue near a lake by Anjaneya Circle, which is close to the national highway. The people of the area had planned to clean the site and use a JCB machine to prepare the spot. However, town panchayat officials arrived and stopped the work, saying that government permission was needed before installing the statue. They also mentioned that the land around the lake might be encroached upon and needed a proper survey. Some residents from nearby areas opposed any work in the location until the survey confirmed the land boundaries. This led to a heated argument between the officials and the locals. Police were called to control the situation as the atmosphere grew tense. Interestingly, leaders from both BJP and Congress joined the discussion without political differences. After the talks, everyone agreed to wait for the land survey before installing the statue, which calmed the situation for now. Reportage by Kalmesh Mandyala from Hubli.